Hello magical friends and welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley and this is my magical space. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So today's video is a look at my Weasley Wizarding Wheezes collection. I have added a couple new pieces to it in the last couple months, which I'm really excited about. So let's just dig right into it. And I will not be hauling over here, but I will show you. I do have the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes shop as part of the Diagon Alley set for Lego. And then I do have the Rabbit 3D puzzle of the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes shop. And then I do have a gorgeous canvas from K-pop art that has the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes shop on it. So I'm not going to haul them over here, but I will do close-ups for you. So let's start off with the Extendable Ear. So this is from Universal. You can order it online from their online shop if you can't make your way to Universal. I have never been there, so I always have people grab me things, or I do order online. Not that I recommend it if you were in Canada, because their international shipping policy is utter shit. They charge by how much you spend, not by how big the item is. It's just a little shady because I feel like they're making money off of people that way. Okay, so we have the Extendable Ear. So you place the earphone in your ear and listen. Place ear in desired area and extend cord. I've never taken this out of the box, but according to the back here, it takes 3 AAA batteries and actually works. Well, that's amazing. It extends 12 feet. Huh, so it's like a giant walkie-talkie. Speaker in ear magnifies nearby sounds. So this retails for $25 US at the Wizarding World, and it is for ages 5 and up. Well, it's never coming out of the box because I collect that way, and if you've watched previous videos, you know that. You won't question my sanity because that's just me. Okay, so we have the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes Skiving Snackbox. I got this on Amazon Canada, like Amazon.ca, which never happens if you aren't in Canada. We don't actually get Harry Potter stuff on Amazon for the most part, but this was there, and it's just a super cute little tin box, which I really liked. It has like a gold sparkly detail. In here, it's like actually glittery. So I love it, I bought it. It goes on my Weasley shelf. Next, another controversial item for you guys. Okay, so what do they even call this? They don't call it anything on here. It doesn't have a name. So this item was in Prisoner of Azkaban, so it would actually make it like a Zonko items, not Zonko item, and not a Weasley Wizarding Wheezes item, you would think, since they didn't have a shop then. Lots of people claimed that this was the original Niffler before Fantastic Beasts came out, but it doesn't really meet the description of a Niffler, so we will see. Apparently this one was created so that you flip it. It's like a flipping toy. I'm not going to do that because with my luck I will break something. But yeah, this was from Prisoner of Azkaban. It is now sold in the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes shop, but I do believe that this is probably actually a Zonko's item. So that's my 2 cents. Feel free to have a discussion with me about it in the comments section. Let's do the wands. The Weasley Brothers wands. You've all seen these before because I've done my wand collection. And I've unboxed these, so obviously we have Fred and George's wands with the beautiful W and W, and this is by Noble Collection. I got this at a little shop in Winnipeg. I've seen them online everywhere. I think even like Mina Lima has them on their website maybe. And it's just like the design of the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes stuff. This is the electric shock shake hand thing, and it's just a tin candle, and this was $18.95. I don't even think I've ever opened it. Yeah, so it's just, this is cinnamon scented. And there we go. I just liked the colors. Like, I love the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes stuff. We've got a Decoy Detonator. I will take this out of the package for you because I have taken it out of the package before. The ear just looks complicated. Like, I don't want to have to put cords and stuff back. So this is the little Decoy Detonator. There's a little tab here that you can pull, which I'm assuming activates the sound that's inside. I will not be doing that. I would like the piece to stay intact. So it's got little legs. Let's see how cute. There you go. So there is the Decoy Detonator. And I did order this one off of the Universal website. It is $18.95. But like I said, they charge you per dollar spent. So as long as they reward you for spending lots of money, they just ding you, which is such a piss off. Okay, then we've got the nose biting teacup. Absolutely new. I just got this actually. My friend Kelsey goes to the Wizarding World quite a bit, and she picked up a couple items for me that I was missing, and so I've never actually opened this box. So we're lucky that it's in one piece, because I usually just like order things and then they go on the shelf, which pisses a lot of people off in my comment section. They're like, take your toys out of the box. No, I never will. So this is the nose biting teacup. Okay, so nose biting teacup. We've got Harry Potter Universal Studios on the bottom, and so it just looks like a bunch of little teeth around, and then it does have a saucer that comes in the bottom, and it's just a plain white saucer with a gold edge, and it says Harry Potter Universal Studios. So it feels like it's like fine china. Yeah, like it's definitely sturdy. It's not like a cheap plastic. I honestly thought that it was going to be plastic. It's not. Like, it's a real porcelain ceramic cup, which is really nice. That's neat. And so, what am I doing wrong? Nothing. There we go. I love the packaging on the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes stuff. It is amazing. I did something wrong with the Decoy Detonator. I will package that up later. How can you go to Universal or shop at Universal online and not get this? Like, so this is it's a plush pillow, whatever, you know, the finger bends and it moves, and I've never played with it before. Super cute. So you've got the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes logo on the front. I've seen this thing a couple places, but yeah, you definitely get it at the Universal Studios shop. It's $24.95. It's one of my favorite items for the Weasley Wizarding Wheezes merchandise. Okay, another controversial item. So we've got the Noble Collection Bubble Boy and Puking Girl, and why is it controversial, you ask? Because I was told by Noble Collection that they are retiring the Puking Girl. Noble Collection US, and I do have that in writing, and I will put my proof up somewhere here for you. If you are a Harry Potter video watcher, then you probably know Victoria McLean. So she is in the UK, and she spoke to Noble Collection there, and I guess they had said that they are not retiring it there. And fingers crossed, maybe that is accurate and they're not going to retire it there, but it looks to me like they for sure are retiring it in the US. They did take it out of the parks as well, so I don't think you're going to be able to find this item anywhere. And if it does get replenished in the UK and not retired, I would wonder what the reasoning for that is, because you think it would cost a lot of money to manufacture these items, so why just make it for the UK? You would think it would sell more worldwide than just in the UK, so kind of a waste of like manufacturing dollars, or yeah, anyways, that's my 2 cents on it. So we will see if she's right and it's coming back to the UK, and for those of you who really want the item, I hope that it does, so that you're not going to have to pay an arm and a leg to get it. But if it doesn't, then this is it. It's gorgeous, and I wish you luck in finding it if you did want it in your collection. Last but not least, Mina Lima. So I really like Mina Lima. I shop on Mina Lima a lot. I like their prints, and so I do have a lot of their postcards. So I do have 2 of this set, and there is 20 postcards in each from Mina Lima. They retail for $23.95, I guess. I'm going to assume that that's US, because I think on their website they're only like $12 or something. And so if you would like to win one of these, just tell me what your favorite item is in the comment section down below, and I will pick a comment and I will mail you out a set of Weasley Wizarding Wheezes postcards from Mina Lima. So they come in, I think I have them all. So we've got the green, just says Weasley Wizarding Wheezes series. Like they're not even, oh, so this is from Curiosa. So this is, yeah, like they're not even like numbered, but they are all different patterns. Like I have 4 different, yeah, 4 different boxes, and they all have different things in them, like different designs and different patterns. I am lucky enough to have 2 of these, so one of you will get one. So Grail items. I would absolutely love to find a Cycling Dolores Umbridge for my Weasley Wizarding Wheezes collection. They're very hard to come by, but I would love one. And I think the Fanged Frisbee is still available at the shop, but you can't buy it online at the Universal online shop. So I do want to add the Fanged Frisbee to my collection as well at some point. But yeah, the Cycling Umbridge, my goodness, is that one a tough one to find. So I would definitely like to add her to my collection at some point. Let me know what Weasley Wizarding Wheezes items you have, or that you are trying to find yourself or on your wish list. And yeah, thank you for watching, and nothing but love and Lumos for the week ahead. Thanks, guys.